Hey, welcome back. In this exercise, we're going to complete the design which we started in our previous module. So we had begun creating this poster design from our previous module, and we said at the end of this module, we're going to use the knowledge we acquire to finish up this poster design. That's by adding text. So we're going to just do that. Now that's a very quick one. Now I'll just go to the type tool, click, and we're going to create the point type or the point text. Okay, so click, and we now have our point text. Now this is the heading. Like I told you before, point text is very suitable for headings, and this is a dummy text, like you know. And then secondly, we're going to create our body text. That's the paragraph text or the area text. Now, after selecting my text tool, my horizontal text tool, just go ahead and adjust the font size. So my font size now has been adjusted to 12 points. So I'm going to click and drag and release. Okay, now we see that this all caps option is selected here, but I don't want that, so I'm just going to select this. So we now have our text in small letters. So I'll just make this bigger, maybe increase this to 14. Okay, so this is perfect. And maybe change the color to white. Okay, and I don't want this to be black, so I'm going to make this bold. Perfect. And basically we are almost done. Maybe we should just give this a text wrap. So select this guy, go to text wrap, give this an arc. Let's see. So maybe arc won't work, so let's choose this arc upper, and I think this is just perfect. Good. And yeah, we have our heading looking perfect. Now we can just maybe edit the heading. Let's say best men's shoes. So it's more of a poster design advertising the shoes, right? Best men's shoes. Okay, and then we have this text, and yeah, let's just have some other text at the bottom here. So let's select our text tool, click, let's see discount and soon. And give this 18. So just make it bigger, a bit bigger. Perfect. And then I just want to create more space here. So what I'll do is select this guy, holding down shift, select my star tool, or rather my star. That's the one inside, select the one outside, and then I'll just use my keyboard direction keys, holding down shift to move these upwards, a bit upwards, or a bit to the top, and then move our text a bit to the top also. Now for our body text, I'm going to give this a centralized paragraph. So this is perfect, and for you, I'm going to give you blue color. Perfect. And maybe we should make this color a bit brighter because it's under a blue background. And yeah, this looks perfect. I think one last thing is missing. That's we need to align our text to the middle. So select your text, go down, select the background while holding down Control. So select the text and then hold on Control, and then select the background, and then just come up here and click on this guy. So it's going to align our text to the middle. Okay, I'll do same for this one. Select the guy, hold down control, select the background, and click here. It has aligned our text. I'll do this for this last one. So one last thing I'll do is just save our image. So come to File, Export, Export As, or maybe I should just do the Save As method. So Save As, and then save this as JPEG. OK, and OK. And let's just go back to our folder, and yeah, this is now our design. Looks absolutely incredible, absolutely stunning and simple. So with this, we've come to the end of our exercise and our video, and of course our module. So see you in the next one. Bye. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.